What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel once again. This is Grant on Reaction, and if you are coming fast to my video, remember to subscribe, like, and also comment. So, guys, I want us to watch this amazing and unforgettable race for the under 17 girls and a combination of under 17 boys and under 20 boys. So, guys, let's watch this powerful race till the end, and then I'll be coming back with more comments.
They'll go in lane 5. Martini.
We've seen the World Relays held in the Bahamas and eventually elsewhere. Big team from the Bahamas, and on the right-hand side, the 100-meter champion, fresh from the long jump and 200 qualifying. She's on duty for our country.
Jemiah Nabi, Trinidad and Tobago in there as well. The Jamaicans.
Always a fun event, and the athletes look like they're ready to give us a show.
Shamani Kizel on the Jamaican team. Saw her in the long jump earlier. The British Virgin Islands in the final as well. Turks and Caicos Islands.
Had a World Junior 200 champion 11 years ago, Delano Williams.
Bermuda. In this final as well. On the 17 girls 4x100 final coming up. You had asked the question about whether Jemiah Nabi, the 100 champion, would turn up for sprint relay duty tonight. You have your answer.
Off camera, I'm bowing to the Queen here, Tanique Williams. She said she'd come up to do duty for her country, and she has.
Yeah, like I said, this is always a great moment for any runner to be a part of the 4x1, even more so than the 4x4, because this race is fast. 100 has always been a glory race. Nabi has taken her hair out. I think we're going to see a show.
Final of the under 17 girls 4x100 meters relay.
The record 44.95 by Jamaica in 2018.
Time for speed. There's the full lineup. Bermuda in 1, Turks and Caicos lane 2, British Virgin Islands lane 3, Jamaica in 4, Trinidad and Tobago 5, Bahamas in 6, Martinique in 7, and Guadeloupe in lane number 8.
In normal circumstances, me picking this team, Nabi would be my second leg runner. But maybe tonight, given all she's done, put her on the anchor leg. If it's close, she'll take care of business.
Exchange one, are you ready?
It's certainly good always to see a superstar finish the race. And I think that's what's on the top of their mind at this point. It makes it a harder run.
Exchange two is ready. Final exchange is ready.
British Virgin Islands in lane number 3. Turks and Caicos in 2. Bermuda lane 1. Jamaica 4.
Quiet for the start.
Trinidad and Tobago.
Jamaica fine all-round team with Hazel and East on duty, and the job of all others is to stay close and run their very, very best. It's like Davidson, the hurdler, national hurdles champion.
Stand up.
They've been asked to stand up ahead of the start of this final. Under 17 girls 4x100 relays. Jamaica swept the 4x1s in Kingston last year, Hubert. Will be hard pressed to do that here again, but it's not impossible. Off they go. Symphony Patrick got up well for Trinidad and Tobago. Bahamas running well on the first leg. The Jamaicans with Davidson just a little bit back. Trinidad and Tobago. Nabi on the second leg for the Bahamians. Nabi steps on the pace, but it's Jamaica with a slight advantage. Bahamas right there. Trinidad and Tobago in third. It's Jamaica in front. Natrice East on the third leg. Hands over to Chamonix Kazel. And the Jamaicans are ahead of Trinidad and Tobago and the Bahamas. Alexi Henry, the 100 bronze medalist in second for Trinidad and Tobago. But the Jamaicans are well clear. They smash the field. 45-24 with Chamonix Kazel on the anchor leg. Alexi Henry brings the Trinbago team into second position, and the Bahamians having to settle for bronze.
Very solid team from Jamaica. Fast start by the hurdler Davidson, and the second legs were competitive with Nabi running very well for the Bahamas. The fast running by this Jamaican team from first to finish to the last leg took them down to 45.37. Hazel strong as well, and Alexi Henry of Trinidad and Tobago taking the team to second. The Bahamas look to be third.
Big moment for the Jamaicans. They haven't had things their own way in the sprints, especially at the under 17 level. Shut out of the medals in the 100 meters, but their depth at 4x1 coming to the fore in this final tonight. Davidson, Tiana Marshall, Natrice East, and Chamonix Kazel, the 4 for the Jamaicans. Here's another look at it. Symphony Patrick ran a brilliant leg for Trinidad and Tobago. Davidson was fast for Jamaica as well. Jemiah Nabi, the 100 champion, did a lot of work, especially in the last 30 meters of that second leg for the Bahamas, but the Jamaicans still handed off first.
Great baton pass from Marshall to her high school teammate East. Fourth in the 100 final. That change to Hazel also quite nice. Little fumble for TNT at the ankle leg change. And Alexi Henry has a ton of the jets to hold up the Bahamas for the silver. And Jamaica go through to win with Hazel putting the seal on a fast win.
Yeah, 45-36 for Jamaica, 46-18 for Trinidad and Tobago, Bahamas 46-13, Bermuda just outside the medals at 48.12.
Congratulations. Thank you, Tristan.
Davidson, Marshall, East, and Hazel doing the business.
Final of the 4x100 meters relay for under 20 boys, the last race of day number 2 of Carifta 50.
Just shake your shoulders, Ricardo. You'll survive.
Trinidad and Tobago.
So much success in this event at the senior level. Jamaica playing basketball, attempting to keep it cool. DeAndre Daly, last year's Carifta 100 champion on this team. It's Bahama time. Brown and Musgrove, second and third last night. Outstanding Devontae Howell, second to the right-hand side, leading the Caymanians off a 4x1 battle.
And the shake up the shoulder.
There you go. British Virgin Islands in this final as well. No marquee under 20 sprinters, but the 4x1s can be delivered on team coordination and smooth baton passing.
Yes, exactly. It's not always about who.
Have their own hero, Delana Williams, world junior champion in 2012. The Bahamas, Derek Atkins, world championship silver in 2007.
Just getting ahead of myself a little bit, Hubert. The mixed 4x4 debuting this year to close the show tonight. So that's still to come following the 4x100 for under 20 boys. So wherever you are across the Caribbean or across the world, we'll be spending a little additional time with you tonight. But it's all worth it. Bahamas, 2 finalists, 2 medalists in the 100 meters. Here's the full lineup: Turks and Caicos, British Virgin Islands, Cayman Islands, Bahamas, Jamaica, Trinidad and Tobago, Barbados and Guadeloupe.
This is the Bahamas. They've won under 17 boys 4x1. Fastest qualifiers and with a fine team in the under 20s. Chance to win.
Chance to win for sure. Chance to level the score and send it to a decider with the mixed 4x4.
That's DeAndre Daly to the left and Carlos Brown to the right. Methinks that's the anchor leg battle in this 4x1s.
Want that we
Relay of the meet. Under 20 boys 4x100 meters.
off. Oh, the Bahamian got left in the blocks and the race has been recalled. Wow. He twitched. The gun went. He expected a recall. It did not come and he got stuck.
High pressure on these boys in front of the home crowd as well. It's a joy to be here, Tony, isn't it? But it's pressure to deliver as well.
It's so much pressure, especially when you've seen the other relays just before you come and be so successful in front of this crowd. He must have heard the Jonkunu, everyone excited. I know that this team is ready and prepared, and so probably require just a little bit more focus. We'll have to wait to see what the referee says.
third in the 100 last year. Only ran the 200 this season at this Carifta Games.
I suspect it would have to be a caution because the race was called back about 40 or 50 meters in, which means that the system did not detect a false start and that the race was only recalled because he had gotten stuck in the blocks.
Evan.
Here we go again. Cleanly away this time. Zachary Evans got up well for the Bahamas. The Jamaicans run a storming opening leg. Barbados go well too. Barbados, Jamaica. Guadeloupe on the outside. Jamaica with Shaquille Gordon down the backstretch, going quickly. Jamaica and Bahamas. The Bahamians running a quality third leg. It's Bahamas who will have the lead. Here's the final change. Carlos Brown with the baton. DeAndre Daly for Jamaica. Bahamas, Jamaica, Bahamas, Jamaica, Jamaica with Daly. Wins the 4x100 for under 20 boys. 39-36 on the clock. Disqualified in the semifinals of the 100 meters.
The sweep of the relays is on. This Jamaican team with Ouaji and Kumi setting the blocks to his like. He's a fantastic starter. Second in the 100, personal best 10.28.
When the Jamaicans ran 38.61 in Nairobi last year, two members of this team tonight were on that team then. This is one of them. Brian Level ran the second leg in Nairobi. Sandre Davison ran the anchor leg.
That's where he is tonight.
And they have added Bouaji and Kumi on the start, replacing Alex Xavier Monfries, and DeAndre Daly on the third leg, and he would be replacing Andrew Gillips.
10.28 Bouaji, level 10.21 last year, and in that range again this season. 10.22 for this boy, the Carifta champion, DeAndre Daly. On the anchor leg, 20.90 200 speed. Sandre Davidson, the 2021 National Junior 100 champion. Big team. They set a Jamaican record last year in Nairobi, 38.61. Ahead of them, a world junior record by South Africa, 38.51.
Going through the full lineup, the Jamaicans being led off by Bouaji and Kumi. Three Jamaican teams have gone sub 39 in under 24x100 sprinting. Are we in store for more history tonight?
Don't dare to think it, but it's possible.
World under 20 record 38.51 set by South Africa last year. The Jamaicans were a tenth behind at 38.61. They start in lane number 4. Set up. Bouaji and Kumi float of the blocks for the Jamaicans. Bahamas going on quickly as well on the opening leg. And Kumi hands off to Brian Level down the back stretch. The Jamaicans going fast. Bahamas also moving well too. The change slow for the Jamaicans, but DeAndre Daly is quick. And he is opening up on the rest of the field. Daly will come to Sandre Davison. The change is clean and the Jamaicans are away again. Davison is lifting. The crowd is pushing him. Davison to the line. The world record survives. 39.15, the Carifta record goes. Sandre Davison on anchor once again for the Jamaicans. The crowd almost looking disappointed, but it is a stunning effort. The expectations raised The boys have their gold medal in Kingston, and the Jamaicans sweep the sprint relays at Carifta 49.
The sweep is complete in the 4x1s. Davidson runs off with the Jamaican flag. 3 passes, safe, not swift. If they improve those passes, no reason why Jamaica cannot also break the under-20 boys 4x1 record. Daly and Davidson in the picture. Both champions. 39.15, a Carifta record.
A terrific performance in the month of April, really. Still a long way for these boys to go this season. DeAndre Daly, after winning the 100 last night, spoke about the long season and going all the way to the World Under-20 Championships. And these boys will all have aspirations of being there. And they have produced a spectacular effort tonight.
Daly on the left, Davidson, the tall man with the headband, Level and Boaji on the right-hand side. A power-packed team. Again, the baton passing here, safe, not swift. And there's more there for this outstanding team of Jamaican boys.
Yeah, for sure. And there are others who can potentially come in at some point this season. Jiva Newby has run 10.26.
Boaji, a bullet out to the blocks. That exchange, second to third, Level to Davidson. Close, great turn by Daly. The sidestep to make the pass safe to the anchor leg. From short to tall, the powerful Sandra Davidson, the conqueror, closes out a big win for Jamaica and a 4x1 sweep by the host country.
Bringing the house down in a most spectacular fashion. Carifta record 39.15 for the Jamaicans.
Wow. I've seen a lot in my time, but this was magnificent. This sweep ending with super fast times. Under 17s conservative, but under 20s let it all out. World record and a championship record to close up Carifta Day number 2.
Yeah.
Don't stay home tomorrow. Come to Carifta.
What a night, what a night, what a Sunday night. Kingston in a frenzy. The under 17 girls, they started the sweep.
Davidson, Bingham, Hazel, and Leanne Terrelong got to run their victory lap like the people they watch on television. These fans watched it, delighted. These boys will run their victory lap maybe later. 39.15. Level on the left-hand side. Nkume, the tall man with the headband, Davidson, and the 100 champion, Daly on the outside.
Confirmation of the results then. Third.
So guys, hope you have really watched the video till the end, and you've seen that Jamaica has come out and destroyed everyone in the field. So guys, whenever you see any Jamaica participating at any short distance races, just prepare a medal for that person, because we automatically know that the person is going to win the race. These people usually have that spirit of winning and that mentality of winning those races. It is in their vessels, so no one can compete with them easily. So those were the upcoming stars of Jamaican, whereby they came and they emerged the best in those races. Jamaica has been dominating these short races for over 50 years. They have held a record of these short races and winning these races for over 50 years. Imagine winning these races for over 50 years. This is not easy. It only needs determination and commitment. So guys, hope you've really seen for yourself that Jamaica usually dominate in these short races, and they usually win these races every and each year, but the only country that usually try to compete with them in that particular races, it is Team USA. But we know that Jamaica usually win these races for many years. These people usually have that spirit in any field that they participate. In every field that they participate, they usually emerge the best. They have the best culture, which is being loved by many people all over the world. They have the best music, which is being loved by many people all over the world. So these people usually have that spirit of producing quality and best items. So guys, at the first we saw the under 17 girls, how they started their races. They started their races very well, and they ended the race with a very high speed. Nobody could come out and destroy them, but they finished the race with a very high performance, hence making Jamaica being the popular and unknown country. So guys, these girls reminds me of the Sherika Jackson and the Tia and Tina Clinton, how they start their races and how they end their races. These are the future stars of Jamaica. These are the future stars of Jamaica who will fly their flag in every race they undertake. And we've also seen the under 17 boys, how they started their race. They started their race very well, and they also finished with a top flight performance. And also the under 20 boys. Those boys reminds me of the Usain Bolt, how they started their race and they ended it very well. Nobody could defeat them and could outperform them at the field. The only country that can compete Jamaica in the track and field, it's only USA, because it also have the sprinters. Whenever one emerges number one, USA can produce number two, or whenever USA becomes number one, Jamaica becomes number two. So they have been competing for quite some years, because because USA is the only country that compete Jamaica in the track and field, but other countries, they cannot compete with Jamaica because Jamaica has got best sprinters. So guys, I can clearly say that Jamaicans track and field is on the safe side, because they have the upcoming stars who will always keep their country very high rate. And when it comes to setting records, Jamaica usually set an abnormal record, a record that nobody can destroy it very easily. It reminds me of the record set by Usain Bolt in 2009. Nobody has ever come and destroyed the record very easily. He set an abnormal record which no one can just come and destroy it. Thank you so much for watching me, and if it's your first time coming across my video, remember to subscribe, like, and also comment. Let me see your thoughts on how you viewed the race in the comment section. Bye for now. See you in the next one.